This tutorial is for 4th grade, Module 5, Lesson 8. In this lesson, we're going to see how we can work with conversions between pounds and ounces and relate that to fractions. To start with, we're going to complete this conversion chart. So 1 pound is the same thing as 16 ounces. So if I continue down my chart, I know that my pattern would be adding 16. So if I have 2 pounds, that would be 32 ounces. If I add another 16 to 32 for 3 pounds, I have 48 ounces. Now I'm going to skip ahead to 5 pounds. One of the 5 tricks I like to use is to first multiply the number by 10. So if I do 10 times 16, that's 160. Half of that would show me 5 times 16. So half of 160 is 80. So 5 times 16 is 80. So it's a good mental math trick to use. And then 16 times 100 pounds, well, 16 times 100 is the same thing as 16 times 10 times another 10. So that would be 1,600 ounces in 100 pounds. The next step is to relate those measurements to fractions. Part 2 says shade in the tape diagrams to show how ounces relate to pounds. 6 ounces is what fraction of a pound? I'm going to start by shading in 6 ounces. The top tape diagram shows the 1 pound. The bottom tape has been divided into 16 sections because there's 16 ounces in a pound. So let's shade in 6 of those sections. And there's my representation of the 6 ounces. As a fraction then, I would say that I have 6 pieces out of the 16 that make up a pound. So 6 ounces is the same thing as 6/16 of a pound. The next example is asking for 12 ounces. 12 ounces is what fraction of a pound? I'll start by shading in the 12 ounces in the bottom tape diagram. And there's my 12 ounces. Since I shaded in 12 pieces out of the 16 that make up a pound, we can say 12 ounces is the same thing as 12/16 of a pound. And that's how we can relate fractions to measurement conversions as well.